Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Audi S4. As the automotive industry continues to innovate and push the boundaries of performance and luxury, the 2024 Audi S4 stands out as the best small car for 2025. This latest iteration of Audi's compact sports sedan blends power, advanced technology, and sophisticated design, making it a top contender in its class. With its impressive balance of everyday practicality and exhilarating performance, the 2024 Audi S4 is a remarkable vehicle that sets new standards for small cars. Sleek design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Audi S4 boasts a sleek, modern design that is both athletic and refined. Its sharp lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The car's aerodynamic shape not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves performance and fuel efficiency. The interior of the S4 is equally impressive, featuring high-quality materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and advanced technology. The cabin offers a luxurious feel with leather sport seats, a multifunction steering wheel, and a clean, driver-focused dashboard. Ambient lighting and customizable interior accents add a touch of elegance, making the S4's interior both stylish and comfortable. Powerful performance. At the heart of the 2024 Audi S4 is a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers a robust 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional traction and handling in all conditions. The S4 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, providing a thrilling driving experience. The car's sport-tuned suspension and precise steering further enhance its dynamic performance, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding country roads. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Audi S4 is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features that enhance both convenience and safety. The Audi Virtual Cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, offers a customizable display of important driving information. The MMI Touch Response System with a 10.1-inch touchscreen provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The S4 also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, while advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition, ensure a safe and confident driving experience. Comfort and practicality. Despite its sporty nature, the 2024 Audi S4 is designed for everyday practicality. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates up to 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats. The trunk offers generous cargo space, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The S4's refined ride quality and noise insulation ensure a quiet and comfortable journey, even on longer trips. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Audi S4 has been met with widespread acclaim from automotive enthusiasts and industry experts alike. Its combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology positions it as a leader in the compact car segment. With a competitive starting price and a range of available trims and options, the S4 offers excellent value for money. The 2024 Audi S4 is now available at Audi dealerships worldwide, ready to redefine the standards for small performance cars in 2025. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi S4 is a standout vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of performance, technology, and luxury. Its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced features make it the best small car for 2025. Whether for daily driving or spirited weekend outings, the Audi S4 delivers an unmatched driving experience that sets it apart from the competition. Audi's dedication to innovation and excellence ensures that the S4 remains a top choice for discerning drivers seeking a compact car that offers both excitement and practicality.